Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. Today we're going to be talking about the Soul Sync ANC Earbuds. So just want to show some love to Soul real quick and show my support and appreciation to them, because I remember when I did have their SL100s about 9 years ago. I actually purchased them on my own. These they did send out for an honest review. They didn't pay me for my thoughts. These are all my own thoughts, everything like that. But if you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe and get notified for all future videos. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So today we're going to be talking about the Soul Sync ANC active noise cancellation earbuds. These have about 7 hours with the ANC off, 9 with it on. They have 24 hours with the case as included, 22 with the ANC with the case. So they have really good battery life, and they offer 3 different modes with these guys. But the first thing I want to talk about is the build quality. It's absolutely gorgeous, and what comes into the unboxing experience. So we're greeted with excellent packaging, and the first thing I noticed was the packaging. Soul always provides like these really nice accessories where you could put these, loop these on your jeans. I remember even 10 years ago when I had the SL100s, the bag had the same exact clip on it, which is crazy. So they've been around 10 years, and I'm really glad that they're still around for me to review these earbuds, because I remember back then when I had listened to them, the sound signature was out of this world. And they came out around the same time as the Dr. Dre beats. I remember that. So they were like, I think this company was like known for like Ludacris or something. I think it was his company at the time, but they definitely have been around for a long time now. But these do specialize in 5.1 Bluetooth, ANC, transparency mode as well. So we're going to get into these as well. They have a lot of features that I want to cover and what I want to talk about with these earbuds. So they do have you know what I'm saying, the option where you can listen to these one with either ear, you know what I'm saying. So what I do like is the fact that they're so versatile and they sound really good for bass. But inside the packaging, we're getting ear tips, which are extra. You get the extra large ones, and you get the small ones. The medium ones come inside the box. But do me a favor, before we get started on the build quality and talk about some of the touch controls, some of the performance, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, get notified, join the crew for more videos. I appreciate that 100%. But as far as the overall build, you're gonna notice that it's like this. I got the frost blue color, or frost. Let me see, frost. It's the frost color, so it kind of looks like a minted green, which is really nice in my opinion. I really like this green color. The case is fairly light. It doesn't have too much weight to it, but it has their branding across it, which is solid. You get this little blinking LED light on the back indicating that they're charging the earbuds while they're on standby inside the case. So just keep in mind, you're going to get a full 24 hours with this thing anywhere you go. So just keep that in mind. As long as you have it fully charged, you'll get 7 hours with ANC on, 9 with it off. So I really like the battery life on these guys, as well as the Type-C for charging, no wireless charging, so just keep that in mind. Now these have volume controls. I really do like the volume controls on these, but they're not on both sides, so just keep that in mind. The left earbud is designated for the volume control, so you give that 1 tap, you will raise the volume. 2 taps, it'll decrease the volume. And moving over to the right side, 1 tap switches the song, 2 taps actually goes backwards. Give it a 3rd tap, you get your Google Assistant, and then 1 tap on the right side is pause. So they kept the volume buttons and the control for the music separately. I kind of like how they did that. So, you know, they gave you everything all at once. But the ANC mode, the normal mode, and the transparency mode. Now, the ANC mode will block out wind around you, noise around you, air conditioners, ACs, fans, things of that nature. When you turn it on, all of that stuff reappears and you can hear it in the background, but you could still hear the music really well. With the Bluetooth 5.1 AAC support, it's gonna knock. All the songs are gonna knock every single time you're listening to a music on these guys. It's gonna knock with the bass. It's gonna thump. It's gonna provide you a really good sound signature, nice sound stage. Really full, really warm, deep sound coming out of these Soul earbuds. Short stem, so I kind of like how they have a short stem. The drum is 12 nanometer drum inside of here. Powerful mics as well. Really good strong magnets on these guys. I really do like how they offer this accessory where you can put it on the side of your jeans, your purse, your bag, your I don't know, wherever you would put it. It wouldn't be going anywhere anytime soon because it's attached to metal. But really nice portable size case. It's not too big, not too small. Perfect size in your hand. You get that matte material, which feels really nice. I really do like that matte texture to it. The earbuds fit very well inside of my ears. In fact, very snug. There was no movement when I was running. These are perfect for the gym. You even get IPX4 on these, so definitely good for workouts, sweating, so things of that nature as well. So you don't have to charge them for too long. It's about 1.5 hours to get a full charge on the earbuds. With the charging the case, I mean, that's what I'm talking about. About 1 hour or 2 hours, you get a full charge on the case. The earbuds tend to charge quicker than the case does because it has a smaller battery inside. But like I said, the touch controls work really good. You just have to remember to hit your finger dead center inside of the drum every single time. So I do like the fact that they have the volume controls. I do like the fact that they give you a really nice mic quality as well. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the microphone from the Soul ANCs right now. So let me know how the audio sample sounds when I'm outside and you're hearing, you know, the wind and the car noises pass by. So let me know how that sounds right now. This is the microphones coming directly out of the Soul ANCs. So let me know how it does when it comes to outdoor microphones. As that matte material, like I said before, but you know, you can walk away 33 meters away from these. Separation, like I said before, they're gonna let you use your left ear or your right ear, so you do get, you know, both options to choose from, not just the left or the right. You could switch them up, use one for, you know what I'm saying, the 9 hours, and then the other for the 9 hours, then extend it. You could even get double the battery like that way. So I think that's pretty cool. But these are so far have really good bass quality. There's no app or anything like that they would be paired along with, but they're really good design, really good music quality. I've been listening to these all day long, and I can't complain about the music whatsoever. All the instruments sound really good. Even songs with bass hit really well, which I did notice. So I definitely gotta say that Soul Sync ANCs have a really nice sound for bass quality. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Make sure if you're enjoying the video so far, that you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. But yeah, the Soul ANCs, like I said before, they're very clear, and you know, the fact that they have active noise cancellation on these guys as well is pretty cool as well. Yeah, these guys, I really do enjoy listening to music with these. 25 hours. I think I said 24 before, so you get that extra hour as well to keep you over, just in case. Auto pairing is really quick on these. Charging is quick on these. That's pretty much all I have to say. They're very powerful, affordable. They're around $99. You can find them on, you know, certain websites for $79. I'll leave the cheapest link down below, but definitely want to give a big shout out to Soul. This company has been around for 10 years. So salute. I just want to show some love to Soul. I want to show some love to you guys as well. So make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you show your support as well. But I definitely want to show you guys some love for watching this video. Also, I'm going to see you in the comment section down below. Let me know if you have these Souls. Have you ever used the Souls? I remember those SL100s, those over-the-ear headphones. The neck strap had broke. I remember I had them on my head. I was on a train. I hit like a bump, and they flew off of my head and it cracked. I actually tried to Gorilla Glue them. Definitely was a big fan of the SL100s. Glad that Soul is still making earbuds, that they've been around for 10 years. So salute to them. definitely want to show some love to Soul. But these are the active noise cancellation earbuds, the Soul Sync ANC earbuds. And like I said, they pack a lot of power in a small package. You're gonna get that ANC, you're gonna get that transparency, you're gonna get that 25 hours of battery. Really beautiful, really nice finish on here, matte finish. They have a really snug fit. The bass gets really loud. Like I said before, I can't emphasize that enough. But like I said before, I'm gonna check you guys in the comment section. I'm also gonna get right back with you. So make sure you hit one of these videos on the left or the right hand side. But show your love to Soul right now by hitting that like button and leave a comment, hashtag Soul 100%. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna see you in the comment section right now. But definitely want to show some love to Soul as well again, and let them know that I appreciate them for sending these out. And I'm gonna listen to some more music right now, but I definitely like you could listen to these. What I'm saying, left or right, doesn't matter. Really solid, really versatile, really comfortable, really great sound quality. But I'm gonna get right back with you. Like I said, I'll check you guys later. I'm gonna get right back with you later. Peace.